Assalamualaikum. My name is Tahreem Tahi and my topic is effects of herbal medicine in curing different types of cancer. Herbal medicines. Herbal medicines are made from herbal plant extracts. Different parts like roots, stem, leaves and sometimes whole plant is used for making herbal medicine. Herbal plants contain secondary metabolites. Secondary metabolites are compounds that are not required for the growth and reproduction but confer some selective advantage to the organism. There are no side effects of herbal medicine and they cure and prevent many types of diseases, low cost and more effective. Cancer. After cardiovascular disorder, cancer is the second main cause of death in the world. By 2030, it is predicted that there would be 11 million new cancer cases and about 17 million cancer deaths. Causes of cancer. Sometimes pharmaceutical drugs create toxicity or acidity which become the cause of cancer. Environmental toxins like environmental pollution, air pollution, water pollution, etc. sometimes cause cancer. Smoking and alcohol is the main cause of cancer. It leads to lung cancer and esophagus cancer. Stress, insomnia. Sometimes stress or insomnia. Insomnia is sleeping disorder which sometimes becomes the cause of cancer. Genetics. Genetic changes or genes mutation leads to cancer. Nutrition deficiencies means poor diet, lack of macronutrients like carbohydrates, lipids and proteins which our body requires, minerals deficiency, minerals and other deficiencies or also sometimes become the cause of cancer. Weak immunity. Our immune system protects our body from different diseases. Weak immunity leads to cancer. Sedentary lifestyle. Lazy lifestyle or no physical activity also sometimes cause of cancer. Diabetes too, obesity, overweight, oxidative stress, damage DNA or cause chronic inflammation which also become the cause of cancer. Treatments. Therapies used for cancer treatment. Immunotherapy. In immunotherapy, our immune system fight against cancer. Radiation therapy. High dose of radiations are used to kill cancer cells. Targeted therapy that target the cells that help the cancer cells to grow and spread. Chemotherapy in which drugs are used to inhibit cancer. Bone marrow transplantation in which bone cancer cell is replaced with healthy cells. The cells may be taken from their own body or from donor. Surgery. In surgery, surgeon remove the cancer cells from the body. Hormone therapy is used to reduce or stop breast or prostate cancer. Disadvantages of cancer therapies. Tumor resistance, costly. All these therapies are costly and not everyone can afford these therapies. Not suitable for all people or its best adverse effects, infection, fatigue, nausea, vomiting and pain. And its long-term use cause heart failure, secondary cancer and death. Use of herbal medicine in cure of cancer. Due to side effects of conventional therapies, people motivate to use herbal medicines. Various treatments of cancer versus herbal treatment. As we see previous cancer disadvantages of cancer therapies, harmful side effects, multi-drug resistance or limited applicability. Now, natural plant extracts are used to treat cancer and its effect is localized, no side effects or can be used as a preventive measure. The features of herbal compounds that contribute to the anti-cancer activities. Selective cytotoxicity is Cytotoxicity is selective. It only destroys the cancer cells, not affect normal cells. Anti-mutagenic. Cancer is caused because of mutation, and herbal compounds stop these mutations. Anti-inflammatory. Apoptotic. In cancer cells, the process of apoptosis is stopped, and herbal compounds produce apoptotic activity. Apoptotic process is programmed cell death. Effects of herbal medicines in different types of cancer. There are some herbal compounds and their anti-cancer activity. Polyphenols in green tea have anti-cancer effects. Lycopene in tomato inhibits propagation of prostate, lung, breast, and endometrium cancer. Extract of paper legume inhibit lung cancer. Red clove, alfalfa, and soya beans have isoflavone which reduce the risk of breast cancer. Aloe vera have high cytotoxic and apoptotic action. Garlic have allicin, 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 which reduce the risk of gastrointestinal cancer. Lycopene in tomato stop propagation of prostate, lung, breast, and endometrium cancer. Rhodiola in pomegranate inhibit proliferation of cancer cells and induce apoptosis. There is some anti-cancer herbal plants: saffron, green tea, ginger, black walnut, aloe vera, black pepper, garlic, skullcap, blackbush, wormwood, foxglove, red clove. Anti-cancer activity of some Chinese medicinal plants. And their common name is mustard. Mustard shows anti-cancer activity against human prostate cancer PCC cells. Mexican tea show anti-cancer effects on breast cancer cell and MCF7. Horsetail show anti-cancer activity against leukemia, murine leukemia, L1210 cells. Japanese Arabia, red glioma, C6 and human glioma, U251 cell lines. Rose of Sharon, A549 human lung cancer cells, H209 and H651 human lung cancer cells. Flaxseed show anti-cancer effect on colon cancer cells, HCT116 and human glioma, U251 cell lines. Smoke oil show anti-cancer effect against cancer cells, breast carcinoma, colon adenocarcinoma, pancreas adenocarcinoma, medulloblasma and neuroblastoma. White clove, crown gall tumor. Here is a percentage of different parts of herbal plants used in making herbal medicine. About 48% the part of leaves are used for making herbal medicine, 12% seeds, and 8% stems are used. Then seeds, fruits, whole plants, roots, stems, fruits, and other parts are used 4%. They show anti-cancer effect on 4 types of cancer cell lines: MCF, B8, L, HU, H7, HELA are cancer cell lines, and one normal cell line, MCF10A. Advantages of herbal medicine: we have low cost, reduced side effects, and widespread availability, means they can easily available. Disadvantages: negative interaction with recommended medicine, liver toxicity, sun sensitivity, allergic reaction, and sometimes increase the risk of smoking. Conclusion: due to side effects of cancer therapies, alternate treatment is required. Plants have anti-cancer agents, so herbal plants and their derivatives play important role in cure of cancer. Herbal plants contribute to the development of new drugs. Thank you.